真啦，完啦完啦完啦。
We are selling definitely. Definitely.
係啊。
OK。
We are sold. Congratulations.
耶！恭喜晒啦！好耐冇睇過即時能夠成交嘅拍，我睇咗3-4場都係即時唔到啊！今日終於可以睇到即時買賣嘅。呢一集真係睇到成交拍賣啦！嗱，上一集咧咪講到呢間屋好靚嘅，不如睇翻上一集我對呢間屋嘅感覺啊！一就係佢銀碼算係開得平嚇，110至120萬。咁呢區嚟講本身就如果講緊30年屋咧，就唔係話好特別平，但係咧應該係有質素嘅。你睇下門口啊，佢做晒啲拱門啊、佛沙啊啲人話，佢都係闊嘅，地皮係726平方米嚇，咁做晒前面有晒圍欄，係高質素嘅。咁同埋裏邊咧，你見到佢就算啲燈上面又雕晒花啊，一入門口有個大拱門啊，哇！呢啲好吸睛啊，我覺得係亦都讚嘅。第三就係、佢所有房可以講，所有房無論主人房定係細房都係好大嘅嚇。同埋第四，佢都算係保養得好好。雖然你係有啲裝修嚟講30年前，但係我覺得佢係 keep 得好好嚇。咁我真係暫時我諗嗱，你可以咁講，我覺得車房係有少少麻煩咧，要開兩邊啦，中間條柱啦。咁我真係可以咁講，我諗唔到太多嘅缺點。你話缺點嘅就可能係校網唔好咯，咁你客觀因素呢個校網唔好，你都冇辦法。但我覺得呢間屋係好有質素，同埋佢無論係客廳嗰個叫做飯廳，甚至乎你有個 theatre 係好難得。佢後面嗰度做埋個 fountain 又係好難得嚇，所有嘢都係好難得。我覺得係呢班呢就係似嘅。頭先我見到有一班內地人又似嘅，有2批印度人都係似嘅嚇。我後邊我見嗰啲就應該就可能係 Labour 啦。佢同埋佢話有個叫做 Bowen 嘅 builder， 我唔識啊，我唔係嗰個年紀啦。咁所以咧，我覺得今日呢間係賣得出嘅。佢開價110至120，我覺得係120幾啦嚇。可能搶得心頭好嘅就挨近130咯。因為呢排咧真係咧，我發覺咧拍賣係差咗。無論投資者信心，可能係加息、打仗，定係話政府嘅工黨嘅政策，都令到啲投資者都係差咗嘅。講一講依家暫時咧，佢哋就入咗屋啦。頭先咧，我見到個業主係一啲本地西人嚟嘅，係啦，真係一啲白人嚟嘅。我見到4入咗去，咁依家入咗去傾傾。咁報道下現場啊！依家咧呢度嗱，呢批頭先呢批唔係，嗰批係嘅，車後邊嗰批係。嗰邊嗰班都係頭先似嘅，另外有啲 Chinese 呢，有啲都係嘅。咁呢度咧，你見到眼見都成20幾人，我後邊都有40人，即係話現場咧都有成70人啊嚇。咁我覺得今日係有機會買得成嘅，因為起碼我見到有3組係似嘅買家。好，呢個 agent 嚟啦，好少會企到咁近，我哋揾個靚位企佢。
Simon Avenue here in Rowville. Our vendors here inside, they're here ready to sell. Just want to introduce our team for a moment. My name's Michael Rosano. I'm going to be your auctioneer here today. Very well to invite Eric, Sean, Nori, Peter, the team. They are all here to help you in the bidding.
今日 in charge 呢個就叫 Eric Shan， 係都有禮貌嘅，不過少見。佢哋原來係喺Glenleaf 呢邊。
And folio numbers 163, which is better known to you and I as 48 Simon Avenue here in Rowville. The channels are the same.
好少人咧企到咁前嘅。
The window furnishings, electric light fittings, heating of a
前面嗰3個係似嘅。印度頭先有個成日跟住我睇嘢嗰個印度喺邊咧？再望望環境，我變成40人嘅呢度都。好多人嘅呢度，現場大約70人啦。嗱，近門口右邊嗰個似嘅，因為你有時咧睇屋咧，見到啲人咧嘅面貌，都估到係有冇機會佢想喐手。The rules do prevent vendor bids. The words I'll indicate that I'm making a bid on behalf of the vendor are quite simply vendor bid.
Is everyone comfortable so far? Very good. Well, we've got lucky with the weather. Crack of sunshine coming through on a great day. So it's a location where local residents of Rowville, they love living here. When you look for a property, the things that you look for is good floor plan, big land, walkability, strong education, and 48 Simon Avenue has all those things on your doorstep. You see, when you live in Simon Avenue, your life will become easier. You walk to Stud Park. I was there the other day. It's been renovated. It's got Kmart, the Asian groceries. It is all there for your shopping needs.
係啊，我睇睇下前面呢班喺比較前嗰班都似嘅，企到咁前，似。
Around the corner from the home. Rowville Secondary College on your doorstep.
講 Rowville Secondary College 就真係麻麻地嘅，嚇親人嘅會。
Churchill Park, it is all there ready for you to enjoy buys. And the home itself, I'll tell you what, it's got a charm about it, doesn't it? It's got the moulding.
好緊張，我個人係咁望住我。佢莫非驚我係競爭者？
A single level home, the high ceilings and generous sized bedrooms buys, these are the ones that are getting so hard to find in today's market.
眼見有3個係似嘅。
North facing front, high side of the street. When you wake up, you're going to love that view out of your master bedrooms every morning for years to come by. If you're a young couple or a family and you're wanting to break into the market, I can tell you what a great time to buy now. There is loads of value in the Melbourne property market here today. I know everyone wants to sit back and let's see what happens next month. Oh, the rates might come down or the war might end. I can tell you something. This is the best time to buy property. Secure your future. Own 48 Simon Avenue. You can live in it. You can renovate it further. It is all here, ready to enjoy. You're never going to go wrong. I'm going to leave you with that thought now, guys. Plenty of sales in the area, 1.2 and above. What about a fair and reasonable start? What about 1.1? Can you see 1.1 anywhere at all?
好啦，佢預備啦，110萬開始。
Looking for 1,100,000 to kick things off.
有冇人先？
See 1.1. Start it, but I'd much rather get started there.
應該有嘅，不過啲人大家睇睇先。
Looking for 1,100,000. Bidders over there, competition straight out of the gate at 1.1 million. Happy to go a nice easy 20s from here. At 1,100,000, 20s the next bid. At 1.1 million, first time in the call now at 1.1. Second call, third, final call at $1,100,000.
後邊有人出咗110。
Gentleman's put his hand up, looking for 20 now. At 1,100,000, 20, can I say, sir? At 20, sir? Yes? Yep, 20. We're at 1.1, 20 with you now.
我後邊有班華籍嘅，佢想嗌111，但係要加2萬。
We're at 1.12, looking for 40 now. First time in the call now, 112. Second call. Third, final call at 1,120, looking for 40 at 40.
似咧，40啦，費事同你摸啦。114啦，我都係呢個似咧。
We're at 1,140, 60, can I say that? At 40, looking for at 116, 3 of you in now.
後面嗰個116啦。OK。
At 60 is a bid, at 80.
正路啊！我覺得成體120幾，挨近130。係啊，其實呢幾個係想買嘅，抱住細路仔。OK， 118。印度呢邊118。
Let's go for 20. Go for 20. Strong bid's good bid. Go for 20.
我都係似嘅。
At 1.2. There
似咧，你俾我估中晒。120。
Yes. At 220. Money's right here. Can you say 20 on top?
咁快，我係嘅堅持1萬先試下。
1,000. Go for 20.
唔好俾咁快加上去。
Haven't forgotten about you out the back. 1,200,000.
呢間我覺得係幾吸引，幾靚。
Second call.
我覺得係吸引。
At 1.22, there it is. Back in front.
啊，揾個女人嗌價，有啲氣勢啊。
40. We'll take you 2-3 at 30 now. Straight back at
OK， 加1萬，123。
127 coming with the knockout bid. I like it, sir. At $1,270,000. At 1,270, put himself in the best position to buy the home now. First time we call now, 127.
佢就123一下加到127咁勁。
Final call
呢隊啊，前邊呢隊啊，咁勁喎，加4萬嚇親人喎，度緊，係喎，未到 reserve price 喎，係喎。搶住，哦 ，on the market， 127，80緊張呢日，3個買家，後邊嗰個冇出現啦。搶住出價，128。OK， 加5000。嗰對華籍家庭，同我估計差唔多，我都係估大約挨近130、120幾至130。咁啊，依家你心頭好，睇下捽幾多上去啦。喂，好屋啊呢間，
你知點解好咧？因為依間屋個圖啊，係
圖色好，
係啦，比住我都想買呢個圖，都係舊啲啫，但係佢個 floor plan 非常之靚
，floor plan 靚同埋個裝修都靚。
唔係啦，比舊屋個你幾難咪裝修冇？
你叫咩名我都？
阿聰，
阿聰，
因為屋咧
A 獎嚟嘅呢
個，唔係因為你講真啦，屋咧你大把揾到，裝修靚都大把，但係揾到圖啊，
哦係啊，
係揾唔到嘅，因為你裝修唔到改唔到圖啊，所以有咁個圖咧。
係啊，所以
100嚟一間，講真，冇幾多間係一層係佢個圖。
我拍賣之前咧，我都估佢130。
估130嘅，係啦。
我就估130。
我第一次嚟我都話1.35㗎嘛，我做一轉。
不過有時貴唔貴就要睇下啲人銀彈有幾多啦。
係講真啦，呢種屋咧優埋，因為圖太靚。
我頭先同你個朋友講話，依家一定買得出。
係，
因為我睇
一層係，而家人哋又 hit 一層啦，因為老人家有時上落唔方便。有一層非常之好賣，
同埋我見到有幾個係即係等拍賣。你睇到啲樣係咁，即係我哋睇得多係啊，阿 Son 好犀利啊！
做咩你自己諗住買咧？你買咗而家揾間屋你買定咩？
了解多啲啊嘛。
點啊？你睇緊 review 而家睇緊呢邊，呢度幾遠下喎。
OK 啦，我想睇下幾多錢先呢家。同個朋友同我隔離阿 Agent 阿 Son 傾開偈，都唔知去到幾多啲。86啊，1287係啦。係邊個咧？好似係班華籍。先好似頭先加1000啊，好似。係128萬7。哦，1000。咁搞下隨時130嘅咯。係啦，1000。128萬9。依家左邊嘅華籍同埋右邊嘅印度就爭緊，中間都停咗啦。係啊，望下市。
千祈唔好埋屋企啊！同朋友講，千祈諗都冇諗。除非你係唔係，除非你換樓，因為你會買平啲，所以咁 OK。但係如果有啲人咧話，哎呀冇啊，我想等多幾年市場起嘅時候，我話如果你係賣跟住你買咧都一樣，你會俾貴啲。但係個問題咧，你 stamp duty 俾多啲，因為你賣咗，你明唔明啊 ？commission 係俾多啲，係咪先？所以咧，你等到屋貴咧，同埋你想賣嗰時候咧，對你係冇利益嘅，因為你買翻嗰時候都會更加貴，同埋 commission 會咪個 stamp duty 會更加高。所以係最好等佢冧緊嗰時候就買，跟住冧多啲嗰時候咧你先買，都一樣嘅啫。所以你譬如你而家賣100萬。你想買嗰間屋100萬？
睇下呢間印度呢班仲去唔去啦？呢個
你都跌，係跟住跌。
哦，加多1000，129萬。
一樣啫。所以市場咧，如果你係買咧，市場冇影響。
哦，轉樓冇影響嘅，
轉樓冇影響。
投資就諗清楚。
Stamp duty 嘅啫。如果起嗰時候咧，雙 stamp duty 嘅啫。
投資就諗清楚。投資諗清楚啊！
冇而家冇投資啦，呢啲人都冇得呢啲資啦，係咪先？而家冇投資啦，
同埋買樓投資係個回報太低嘅。
Land tax return 又冇，
得個2%。
同埋 Melbourne 咧，全部都係幫啲 tenant 嘅，想踢佢走都未必踢得到添嘅而家，所以冇搞咁多嘢。呢
個 agent 好老實啊！
係啊，真嘅，冇搞冇俾自己咁。
佢話投資樓冇搞啊！
冇搞。
阿潘文總投資中晒，
仲死添啊！嗰啲 corporate 都俾死你啊，係咪先？
維修，甲片維修啊！
嗰啲 corporate 加埋啦，你去跌個價，你想賣啊？哇！跌你買翻嚟即刻想賣1年後10萬，我諗都跌啦5萬至10萬都冇。
甲片維修啊！
係啊。
呢個 agent 阿 Son 夠老實啊！
好真嘅，我講嘢你都知㗎嘛。
唔係話乜都買。
係啦，真嘅。
好，
換樓冇問題，絕對冇問。
OK， 1292000，暫時係左邊呢班華籍係領先，3個，後邊嗰個唔計啦，後邊嗰個兩下要俾人打柴咗啦。攞定張貼紙，攞定支酒。
They're going to buy the home now. They've been good. They've been very patient. I need to know. We're at $1,292,000. Over 720 square metres of land they're going to pick up here today.
當兩個買家，暫時永遠都係㗎啦，去到臨尾都係兩個㗎啦。咁啊，睇下邊個銀彈多就推多幾千啦。
講真，一拍賣咧10個拍賣10個都超越過佢自己利。
係㗎啦，一定
冇人會話：哎呀，我嚟啊，想1.2買到1.2嘅，冇咁嘅歌場。哎呀，我呢個10個嚟都呃啲中介嘅。哎呀，我淨係咁多錢啊！嚟嗰度都係俾多。
哎呀，唔好講咁多秘密啦你。我平時都唔敢講啊。
我事實啫，係咪？呢啲又唔係咩大秘密嘅。
係啊。
你知多啲都好㗎。
我唔敢講咁多秘密嘅，費事。OK， 唔去啦，292，唔去啦。咦，做咩？
講真啦，去到邊個地步都係邊個欺騙到邊個感情嚟買屋㗎嘛，係咪先？人哋而家去到咁嘅地步，用感情買屋㗎，唔係用腦㗎啦。
OK， 真啦，完啦。
係啊。
OK。
We are sold. Congratulations.
耶！恭喜晒啦！好耐冇睇過即時能夠成交嘅法，我睇咗3-4場都係即時唔到啊！今日終於可以睇到即時買賣嘅。呢間屋咧，其實我事前我同我太太都有信心係賣得出嘅。不過爭就當然係幾多錢啦，我就估120幾到咗130嘅。係啊，差唔多啦。130打上，我覺得我130上要揾多啲人吹起下啦。OK 啦，恭喜晒！
得啦 ，thank you。
係啊，好。
有咩錢再傾？
好，多謝 Son。係啊，佢叫阿 Son 啊，佢好搞笑啊！佢知道聽講緊廣東話。好啦，走啦。頭先嗰啲片咧可能比較嘈啲，因為佢好多嘢講啊。好啊，總之買得成啦。咁啊，現場走啦。其實都係出現咗後邊嗰個，我當唔當啦？其實主要係3對買家啦。咁啊，多謝佢哋俾我咁樣拍啦。咁啊，恭喜晒啦！咁我覺得呢間屋都係合理嘅呢個價。同埋阿 Son 都話齋個圖則係比較好嚇，咁啊啲房係大嚇，同埋個裝修係照靚啦嗰個年代，同埋加上佢個保養，我覺得係唔錯嘅。咁我覺得都係一間好屋嚟嘅，好靚啊！望多幾眼啦，呢條街都係靚嘢嚟㗎。我太太話望多幾眼啦一陣，帶大家去望多幾眼啦。呢條街好處就係冇電線桿啊嘛，呢個電燈柱嚟啫。咁啊，見到啲雜鄰居，係啊，咁啊，啲屋咧，你睇下，真係啲磚頭有啲質素嘅。依家算舊屋啦。哦，一陣睇下，俾大家望下，睇下附近仲有啲咩好嘢。我哋沿途揸車揸翻出去大街，呢一帶咧係位處喺 Stub Park 嗰個 shopping centre 後方嘅。咁我發覺啲屋咧都好整齊啊，馬路又闊。啲屋又好闊落，啲磚頭又好靚，都幾吸引㗎。大家真係不妨望多幾眼啦。多謝大家收睇啊！記住俾個 like 啊，同埋訂閱我嘅頻道，撳埋鐘仔，最好就有埋留言同分享啊！拜拜。